So today I'm gonna do some cold calling for my social media marketing agency. This is actually my second time doing it, and the first time, to be honest, like most people, you get really nervous. I got really nervous and I kind of lay off for a second. But now I've actually watched one of Ty Lopez's video that was talking about, because it is you that have something to offer to the business, and you the one offering the opportunity. If they reject you, just move on to the other one, and eventually you found somebody. So I'm gonna eventually I went to email marketing also. Then I've been doing also what I've been doing. Yeah, I've been doing email marketing, but I'm starting to get back into cold call. So I'm gonna actually report live cold calling. So on this video, I want you guys to be, those of you that are watching it, leave me a comment if you see something I'm doing wrong, or if you have any tip for me. Make sure to leave that in the comment. I really appreciate it. I won't take it as a offense or anything like that, but I'll take it as a tip, and I'll make sure next time I don't do it again. Like I said, I'm new to this. I'm not a sub person. I'm new to this, so it's something new to me. So I've been watching some video. I've been taking some courses, so I've been learning a little bit, and I've been applying it to what I'm about to do right now. So we're just gonna hop into it. Let me know what you guys think. If you found value in this, leave me a like. If you interested in more video like this, be sure to subscribe, to be honest. But what is most important to me is you guys commenting, leaving me tips, see what I can improve on. So let's just hop into it, guys, and let's just get into it. So we're gonna get started. I actually have my list right here, and we're gonna start making the phone call. So let's get to it. Yes, hey, how you doing today?
Doing well.
I'm doing pretty good. I'm trying to reach the owner of the venue. I don't know if they're available at the moment.
I'm the owner operator. I'm doing it for you.
Oh, hey, how you doing today? My name is Vic Samar. I'm a owner of a social media marketing agency actually in Winter Haven. And we actually help specifically restaurants just like yours actually run more revenue through social media marketing. And from some research I've been doing, I actually came across your restaurant, and I actually done some research, and I see a lot of way that can actually help you guys get more customers.
Okay. We've had a lot of people reach out to us for this reason, and we have a marketing team that we're already in place, and we're going to go with that. But I do appreciate you reaching out.
Okay, no problem.
All right, thank you.
Do you mind me asking one more question? Okay. So they hung up. But I'm gonna leave that in the future. I'm still gonna follow up with them to see are they bringing any more results. So I'm gonna let at least a month pass and see, are they doing any improvement. And if they not, I'm gonna try to pitch them again. So we're gonna call the next one on the list. Okay. Yes, hello. Yes, hello. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. Yeah,
Okay.
hello.
Yes, how you doing today?
Good, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. I'm trying to get in touch with the owner of the venue. I don't know if they're available.
Oh, you're trying to get in touch with the owner?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hold up. Can you give me a minute, please?
Yes, no problem.
Okay.
Yes, hello?
Bueno.
Yes, hello?
Sí.
Do you speak English?
No.
Oh. Is there any translator?
What is that, sir?
Yes, my name is Vic Samar. I run a social media marketing agency that help restaurant get more customer. And I've actually come across your business. I'm actually right here in Winter Haven. And I've...
Right now it'll be okay, sir. Okay?
Okay, no problem.
Bye-bye, sir.
No problem. Okay, so that was a Mexican restaurant, and I actually picked them because they have a good amount of review. I've actually could have helped them bring a lot of customer from my case study, but I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna follow up with that. So let's pick up the next one. I've actually made a few calls before this, and I have two that actually might actually land a potential meeting. So those two, cause there's some of them, they say the owner was on vacation, but I make sure I got their email so I can contact the owner and everything like that. So let's check out the next lead that we got to call. Okay.
Thank you for choosing Home City Studies. This is Ashley. How can I help you?
Hey Asher, how you doing today?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. I'm trying to get in touch with the owner of the venue. I don't know if they're available at the moment.
Can you repeat that for me?
I'm trying to get in touch with the owner. I don't know if he or she's available.
Do you want to speak to a manager?
Yes.
Okay, give me 1 second, okay? Let me go get her.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry to keep you waiting. You happened to call right when we're pulling some fresh barbecue out of the smoker. Actually, we're always doing that. But thanks for waiting. We'll be right there.
Okay.
Hi, this is Leslie. How may I help you?
Hey Leslie, how you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good. My name is Vic Samar, and I'm actually I run a social media marketing agency in Winter Haven, and we actually help local businesses in the area actually get more customers through social media marketing. And I've actually done some research on your business, and I think we might be able to help you get more customers and actually grow your revenue.
Okay, we don't really handle that stuff. Our general manager does.
Oh.
He's going to need a piece of paper in here from your business saying what your intent is and what you
Yeah.
can do. His name's Terry. That's who you'll bring it into.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah, but
All right, thank you.
is there a way that I can reach? Okay, so I'm gonna follow up with that one. You know, we have the name of the gatekeeper, of course. You know, I always make sure I get the name of the gatekeeper when I'm following up, and we have the name of the general manager, so we can next time we contact them, or I might just walk in door to door, so I can actually reach out to the customer. I'm gonna make for some of these, I'm gonna make an audit, so I can just go in door to door, and of course some of them I email them. So you know, you gotta consider. Sometimes when they reject you, sometimes what I do is, actually I just started, but what I'm doing, I see some people that have success with it, been doing is, they go door to door, or they do email marketing also. So we're just gonna keep following up with them, and I've done some more, but this is it for the video. Alright guys, so I got back outside because, you know, there's more lighting out here. But let me know what you think. Let me know any tip you have for me if you're watching this video. Let me know if you anything I need improvement on. You know, let me know what you guys think. I know I'm still a beginner. I'm still getting started. You know, I know there's some stuff I need to work on. I know there's something that I need to do. If there's something wrong with my script or anything like that, just let me know. Let me know what's going on. Let me know, you know, what I need to improve on. It will give me a better tip on next time I'm doing cold calling, or next time, you know, in the future, so I actually can fix what I'm doing wrong. So like I say, thank you very much guys. For those of you that are actually gonna comment, thank you very much. I'm gonna make sure to read the comment, and I'm gonna respond to your comment also. And obviously, if you're starting also, if you haven't done cold calling, or if you're watching this, or you're thinking about doing cold calling, or maybe you're done, or you're just really nervous, like I say, you know, take my tip for it. You know, you're the one that have something to offer to the business. They might not see it, but you gotta keep following up. Like one of the things, like I'm gonna keep following most of them. I'm gonna email them. I'm gonna go door to door. I'm gonna give them free audit. See, actually give them more information. You need to provide them with free information. Then of course, after, I'm just gonna, then of course, they're gonna see the value. But of course, I'm not gonna be pushing it too much. I don't want to seem too pushy. So so I won't look too desperate. At the end of the day, there's thousands of restaurants. If you're doing restaurant, there's thousands of gyms. There's hundred of them. Maybe not in your area, but there's 100 of them in your state. So there's way more. So you have something to offer them. Remember that, and there's a lot more. So don't think, just because you didn't get that one, it is over, it is done. So keep pushing through it, just like I'm going to keep pushing through it. So if you actually starting on social media marketing also, and if you actually, if you've been getting nervous with cold calling, because I am too, I'm also an introvert. So this is kind of, I guess it's a way I challenge myself to get over, my, I won't say I'm shy, but I'm a person that I like to stay in my own lane. I like to, stay in the corner and do me. So, I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone and actually do something that actually scares me. I'm going to admit I have a little fear when I'm doing cold calling. But that's why you see when I'm doing it, I have a little smile. I try, even if they reject me, cuss at me, I try to keep a good attitude, a good positive attitude. Because at the end of the day, I have something to offer them, not the opposite around. And, it's then that's going to be benefit with the opportunity. You have to believe in your product. You have to believe in what you're offering also. So I'll see you guys in the next video if you subscribe to it. But of course, leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And thank you for watching, guys. And I'll see you in the next video.